Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the design and selecting the photo that contains the person you want gone. Once selected, click Edit Image and choose Background, Remover to isolate subjects. This gives you a clean mask to refine. Make sure to zoom in about 1/2 or more so details are visible, and pan the canvas so the person is centered. You do this because precise framing reduces accidental deletions of background elements and makes the next steps more accurate and faster. Now you refine the mask using erase and restore brushes. Adjust brush size to work along hairlines, limbs, and clothing edges. You should erase outward from the person to remove them cleanly, and when you over-erase, switch to restore to bring back background fragments. This interplay preserves shadows and reflections. Once done, move the image slightly to spot haloing and toggle preview often. Doing so helps you see how the removal affects surrounding content and ensures a natural transition before you proceed to fill and fix. Finish by covering any gaps left where the person stood. Place matching background elements, use a clone-like effect with textures or patterns, or add nearby content to disguise the whole. Make sure to check layer order and recreate natural shadows or color adjustments so the result blends. If needed, apply a subtle blur to edges. Once satisfied, export as PNG or JPG and save an editable version in Canva. If the result looks off, undo steps. Refine masks and reapply background fills until seamless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.